How to change Netflix Kid account to normal. So let's head to the Netflix app, and here you can see that I have a kids account. The best possible way for you to change it to a normal one is to just delete it and create a new one. However, if you don't want to do that, what else you can do is go to one of the profiles, then go on and click on your account icon at the right top corner. Now that you are here, go ahead and click on Manage Profiles. After you've done that, click on the kids account, and from here you can change the maturity rating. Once this bar pops up, you have to click on Account Settings. Then you will be redirected to a new tab where you would have to first type in your Netflix password. Now that you are in this page, you can now choose the maturity rating from here, then go on ahead and click on Save. After you do this, there will still be some shows that will be restricted, but most of it will be just like it is in the normal account. If you don't want to do that, you can always come back and click on Delete Profile. Now you can just go back and create a new account without any restrictions. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.